many of the mast cell mediators actually are integrally involved in guiding growth and development in all tissues in the body. And if you do not have normal mast cells producing normal amounts of the right mediators at the right times over the right durations, then the tissues in one particular part of the body or another that are subject to these, inappropriate mediator soups, these tissues are not going to grow properly. You may have all of the components that are needed to put together healthy tissue, all the components like the muscle proteins and the ligament proteins and so on and so forth. All the components may be perfectly normal. You may have no mutations at all in any of the genes for making any of those component proteins. But the individual proteins by themselves can't do anything by themselves. They've got to be assembled in very intricate fashions to ultimately produce the tissues, the assembled tissues that allow our different parts of our bodies to do what they can do. And if the parts do not come together in proper fashion, due at least in part to the growth guiding mediators being present in these growing tissues, and again, the wrong mediators, wrong amounts, wrong times, wrong durations, wrong places in the body, then you're not going to get normal growth. And this is so hypermobility in the joints is a potential consequence of that. But you can see adverse impacts in lots of other connective tissues as well, besides just the joints. So there is increasing suspicion that MCAS is at the root of many cases of CCI and AAI. But again, it's a hypothesis, and it's going to have to be proven. It's going to take some rigorous research that is going to be hard to perform and is going to be expensive. So we'll first have to find the funding and then dedicate the resources that'll be needed to prove it.